is the son of one of my best friends, Suzanne, and he had knee surgery. He's doing great. But you know when you come out of anesthetic from dental surgery or something, sometimes you say crazy stuff. Well, apparently she got Joel into the... Hi, Joel. I know you're in the car. And I wasn't on the radio at the time, and he yells, "Where's Donna? I need Donna!" Honey, if I had a dime for every time I heard that. I'm glad you're feeling better.
The biggest hits and all the fun start every day at 5 with the top 5 at 5.
Beat Sync us up with Kat and Claudia. The best way to get you home at the end of the day.
Brought to you by Metro, the Beat Saint-Cassette's official grocer.
Montreal's perfect mix.
The Beat 92.5.
The beat of your workday, powered by Gracious Cap's second pair for $1 event. Now back with twice the selection of frames for your second pair. It's simple. We've never had so many choices. Only at Gracious Cap.
This weekend at Rona, scratch and save 15 to 100% when you spend $100 or more in store, so you can revamp your kitchen. Do yourself proud with Rona. Conditions apply.
Looking for the best winter vacation deals? Save big with redtag.ca on destinations in the Caribbean, Mexico, or even Europe. Plus, enjoy savings on cruise getaways. Book your trip now and pay for it using our monthly payment plan. And get Air Miles reward miles on vacation packages. More travel, more savings. Plan your winter getaway today. Certain restrictions apply. Redtag.ca.
Right now at Tim Hortons, you can get 2 delicious breakfast sandwiches for just $5. That's a win. Kind of like when your neighbor is shoveling his sidewalk and decides to shovel yours too. Enjoy a win at Tim Hortons today and get any 2 freshly prepared breakfast sandwiches made with 100% Canadian eggs for just $5. It's always great value at Tim Hortons. Plus applicable taxes, conditions apply. Cannot be combined with other offers at participating restaurants for a limited time.
The Beat 92.5 is
Montreal's perfect mix. Coming up next.
At Videotron Business, enjoy a ton of exclusive offers, including a wide selection of mobile devices at $0.
But existing Videotron business clients enjoy even more exclusive offers.
Yes, so as I was saying,
On top of mobile devices at $0, our clients get an extra $100 credit per line.
thanks for clarifying, but there's time left. So
Yeah, just pointing out that we reward our clients. Please go ahead.
take advantage of this limited time offer.
Conditions apply.
Videotron Business.
Carl's feeling so fancy with his new IKEA kitchen. What do you make it today, Carl?
Well, crisply toasted crostini, layered with exquisite Gruyere, slathered with butter, and sizzled on a cast iron pan.
That's just a grilled cheese.
Well, actually, it's
A grilled cheese.
but you know, with some Auburn browning and...
It's a grilled cheese.
Yeah, it's a grilled cheese.
The IKEA Kitchen event is on now. Get up to 20% back in IKEA gift cards on kitchen purchases until March 23rd. Visit IKEA for details. Conditions apply.
Did you know that vision expert clinics are now Visique? Come in now until February 29th during our Welcome to Visique event and save $150 on a complete pair of glasses, including the frame and lenses with scratch-resistant and anti-reflective coatings. Choose from a wide selection of designer frames at excellent prices. Seeing all of life's finest details has never been easier with Visique. Find a location at Visique.com. This offer cannot be combined with other offers and is valid in clinic only. Dr. Frédéric Marchand, optometrist.
My favorite part of winter is the blinding snow and the treacherous road conditions. It's so much fun. Invigorating even. It feels so alive.
Now that's something you never hear. Be weather ready with the Toyota RAV4. With 10 different models to choose from, now's the time to Toyota. Lease the 2020 RAV4 front-wheel drive LE for as low as $93 weekly for 60 months with $0 down. Suggested retail price of $30,429, which equals 260 payments, 10 cents per additional kilometer after 100,000 kilometers. Until March 2nd. Visit shoptoyota.ca for details.
It's early spring cleaning at Club Piscine. All 2019 products and demos must go. Save up to 50% off garden furniture, $300 off barbecues, $900 off swimming pools, and $2,000 off hot tubs. Only at Club Piscine.
Maison Corbet's big living room sale is on now. Get 15% off on all sofas, armchairs, and TV stands, plus coffee and side tables until February 29th. Visit us at Maison Corbet, Laval, Montreal, Brossard, and online at MaisonCorbet.com.
To demonstrate all the benefits of a terrace, Patio Design presents the sounds of summer. The birds, the pool, the barbecue, your dog who loves the barbecue, your friends who love your new patio. Make room for